In this video, I will be sharing an exciting new feature found in Assistant Pro. You may already love how the Assistant plugin lets you handle daily WordPress tasks on the front end of your site. With the addition of Assistant Pro, you are able to easily import and export WordPress content, organize your creative assets into libraries, and share it with your team. And now, as of today, you are able to save, organize, and share your code snippets in Assistant Pro libraries. If you're like a lot of WordPress users I know, you may not have a good system for storing or organizing your code snippets. I think you'll find this new feature to be a game changer. Let's take a look at how easy it is to add your code snippets to the Assistant Pro Libraries app. To access Assistant on the front end of my site, I can click on the pencil icon. For more information on how to get started using Assistant and Assistant Pro, I will link up to some videos in the description below. From the Assistant dashboard, click to open the Libraries app. Next, we can click the plus sign to create a new library or select a library that we've already created. In this example, I'm just going to create a new library and then click to create it. In our libraries, we can add content, media, colors, and now code. So we'll click on the code. Next, we'll need to give our library item a name. I love that in Assistant, I can come up with my own system for organizing my libraries, and I can give it a name that makes sense to me. In this example, let's call it Hover Zoom In. Next, we need to choose an extension. You can choose from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or PHP. I'm going to choose CSS. Next, go ahead and paste in your code, and then click Add to add it to your library. Now, in our sample code library, we will see our Hover Zoom In CSS code. Here, I can see the code that I added. In addition, I can access the code editor if I need to make any changes to this prior to sending or using it. If I want to use this on the site, I can simply click to copy. Otherwise, if I want to add anything else to this code, such as a description that adds more information about what this code does, I can also add this code to a collection or delete it altogether. Just like all of your other libraries, you can further update your library settings. You can set your visibility to private or public, choose a file to set a featured image, and then once you finish up, be sure to click Save Settings. To keep watching, go ahead and click on the next video. And of course, if you got any value out of this video, be sure to hit the like button and click to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.